All right, it is July 13th, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm getting ready to leave Orcas Island on my trip to Salt Lake City, Utah to meet Joshua and meet Mom and Hannah down there in Salt Lake City. And then from there, Josh and I are going to head across Wyoming up into South Dakota, and then hopefully to Mount Rushmore. Anyways, got the BMW all packed up. Got all the gear ready to go, and there comes the boat. So no time to waste. Let's get this show on the road. I'm gonna film as much as I can what I eat, like Ray told me to, and hopefully we get some good footage and I can edit this and we can enjoy it. Bye. All right, getting ready to kick off my adventure here. I'm on the ferry, getting ready to hit Anacortes. There's the Beamer, all loaded up, ready to go. Get ready to go. I just wanted to show that oil tanker there that's coming through. You don't usually see that here in Anacortes, but interestingly enough, there's one coming close. They have the refinery just down the road here. They don't usually get this close to the ferry landing. All right, getting ready to kick it off here. Here we go. I'm gonna head down Highway 20. I'm gonna try to make it to Omak or Okanagan tonight. So next stop, I will give some more info. Here we go. All right, I just got done having a broccoli salad, some double chocolate Twinkies, and a Gatorade at the Albert's Red Apple Market. Getting ready to head out again. I'm just outside of Concrete, so this was my first stop. I'm gonna try to get some Bluetooth stuff worked out here with my navigation and with my headset. All right, next stop, Concrete, I think, or no, maybe a little further up. Just talked to that guy right there. Nice guy. He's out camping with his buddies on his bike. Anyways, we'll see how far I get next. Bye. Spectacular up here. I just passed the Pacific Crest Trail up on Highway 20. right, I just stopped. I'm still on Highway 20, about 30 miles outside of Winthrop and Twist, but I think there's about 90 miles to go to Okanagan. But I had to stop and look at this. This is absolutely spectacular out here. This is still day one on Highway 20. There's the Beamer, getting it done. I don't know where I'm going to stay the night tonight, but I'm going to play it by ear, throw up the tent somewhere, hopefully get a semi-decent night's sleep, and I plan on taking off tomorrow morning while it's still dark and cool. Anyways, just wanted to stop and show you guys this view. Absolutely spectacular. Turn around and go through downtown Winthrop. And it is dang hot. Back into the sun. Going through downtown Winthrop, Washington. I think that's about it for Winthrop. Neat little tourist town. I didn't want to stop too many people, and it's like 100 dang degrees, but it's pretty nice. River's right here, look at that. Next stop, Twist, and then Okanagan. I don't know if you can see me, but it's the end of the day. I'm in Omak, Washington. Got a campsite. I'm in the tent. There's the bike if you can see it. Nice campsite, RV park. Anyways, about 200 plus miles today. I ate in Okanagan. I ate at a little barbecue place. Not very good, but it filled the bill for tonight. And tomorrow we're up and on the road again. Day one out, or day one down. And we'll start day 2 tomorrow, and then hopefully by Monday, by the late afternoon, I'll be in Salt Lake City getting in a hotel, because it's hot, man. It's like almost 100 degrees out here, even still in the dark. So it's gonna be a rough night. Anyways, see you guys.